Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're back for more chocolate and more improvisation. Do you remember improvising with hot cross buns in a jazz style? Well, today it's going to be rock style. So think Rocky Road chocolate ice cream. Oh, sorry, just having a little chocolate daydream. Gotta focus. Okay, let's come to the piano to get started. All right, a few tips about playing chocolate. Sometimes I see my students really wanting to rush through the notes. Yum, 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 yum. But when you're playing with a backing track, you have to listen and feel the beat of the track, which in this case is going ba, 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 ba. So if you don't go that speed, you're going to get out of sync. It's got to be yum, 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 yum. And then when you get to that G on top, make sure you hold it for 2 slow beats. It goes T, 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 1, 2, T, 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 1, 2. The top note and then the last note both hold for 2 slow beats. All right, first let's get our right hand in position on the C major pentascale. And then we're going to listen to the backing track. By the way, this backing track is available for download as part of the complete materials for Unit 1 on our website. All right, let's listen to the backing track now. As it plays, listen for 4 clicks. That's your signal to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we play it again. Then we improvise. Two, three, four. I have just 3 rules for your improvisation today. Rule number 1, play just 1 note at a time. Rule number 2, listen as you play. And number 3, have fun. Think you can handle that? Good. Let's come to the piano and give it a try. All right, now it's going to be your turn. Remember, you're going to listen to the backing track, wait for the 4 clicks, then play chocolate 2 times in a row. Then improvise, then listen for 4 clicks again, play chocolate 2 more times, and you're done. Remember, when you improvise, there's no right or wrong notes. Just have fun and enjoy listening to the cool sounds that you create. All right, here goes. Improvise. One, 2, 3, 4. Nice. I loved your creativity on the improvisation. Now, if you weren't totally happy with it, that's fine. It's your improvisation. Just rewind and try it again and again until you like it. But if you were happy with it, let's go on and try it in the left hand now. We're going to do the exact same thing again, but now place your left hand on the C major pentascale. Once again, we'll listen for the 4 clicks, play chocolate, then you improvise, and then we'll play chocolate one last time. Here we go. about Improvise. One, two, three, four. Nice. I loved your improvisation. Great job learning to improvise with chocolate today, rock and roll style. I hope you have fun practicing your improvising and making your own great music by playing along with the chocolate backing track from the practice album available on the Hoffman Academy website. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like I could use some Rocky Road ice cream. So let's wrap this up for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mr. Hoffman, are you allowed to eat out of the carton like that? Chef, this is one of the best parts about being a grown-up. Mr. Hoffman? Oh, hello, and welcome back. I'm Joseph. Kids, never eat ice cream out of a carton. It's very bad piano posture and unhygienic. Always eat ice cream properly with a bowl and spoon, like this. Thanks for letting me know the camera's on, Chef. So have lots of fun practicing eating your ice cream properly, and thanks for watching. See you next time.